Meet Twopan Pro SSD, the world's first SSD designed for AR glasses. Play games in full immersion with your AR glasses. Watch movies anywhere, anytime using Twopan Pro SSD with your phone, unlocking your data with just a touch. No apps, no passwords, just your fingerprint. With up to 2 terabytes in your pocket and blazing 1000 megabyte per second transfer speeds, you can create, edit, and move your biggest files in seconds. And thanks to its built-in silent fan, it stays cool even during the heavy data loads. Stay informed with real-time performance display, speed, voltage, and current in real time. Plug in and capture stunning Apple ProRes 4K footage directly with Twopan Pro SSD. Plug, play, and charge with extra USB-C port for 40-watt fast charging and DisplayPort 1.4 video output. And with its MagSafe magnetic attachment, Twopan Pro SSD magnetically snaps and instantly connects. Twopan Pro SSD, one drive for iPhone, tablet, laptop, Steam Deck, PS5, and more. Twopan Pro SSD, storage for the next reality.